Wow, that was awesome. Okay, frying pan. What is up guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Miko from Miko channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be notified if I have a new video to upload. So guys, mag-react tayo kay Spencer X. So kilala nyo si Spencer X, syempre siguro kilala nyo si Spencer X. So si Spencer X ay nagagawa ng Beatbox challenge. So nakita natin siya sa TikTok at saka kung saan pang platform ng social media. So sa YouTube din meron siya million of views sa kanyang mga Beatbox challenge. So ngayon i-react natin si Spencer X. Gumawa siya ng real sound versus Beatbox sound. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, here we go guys.
What's up everyone? Today we're doing real sounds versus
Whoa.
Beatbox sounds.
Zipper. Oops, lighter. Bone cracking. Whipping dish. Ano? What? Ano din? Oh. Bone cracking. Pouring water. Paano niya kagawin to ng beatbox, no? Yung pouring water. Tignan natin. What? That was dope. Oh. Razor. Knocking. What? Vibrating cell phone. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, frying pan. I can do that. Only that. Whoopee caution. What? It sounds like fart. Oh my god, fart. That was awful sound. My goodness, Spencer, what is this?
All right. That was a bunch of sounds. So that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Let me know what your favorite beatbox sound was, or real sound. It's not as good as the beatbox sounds though. I'm better. I'm really happy I got to do this because sound effects are my favorite part about beatboxing. Let me know if there's any other beatbox sounds you want me to do in the future. Ooh, and be sure to subscribe. Also, huge shout outs to B&H for sponsoring this video. They're an audio, film, and photo store located in New York City. If you want any gear, go check them out. Seriously, if you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to do any sort of production, they're the plug. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Go kill it out there. Be your best self, and I'll catch you next time.
Okay guys, that's really good and great sound doing by Spencer X. So I really love the water, the way he do the beatbox of the water, pouring water and drinking water. That was awesome. That was my favorite beatbox, human beatbox versus real sound. It was really awesome. The next one is the zipper. Psst. Zipper? Psst. I don't really know, but guys, he is really talented beatboxer. A lot of air stuck on his stomach, so maybe that's the thing, or ganon talaga kagaling siya. Sobrang galing mag beatbox, hayop sa beatbox, the beast sa beatbox, at ano pa kaya na magdugtong yan. Ito guys, first time ko mag-react kay Spencer X, so napanga ako sa kanya. Talagang very professional mag Beatbox. So marami ako napanood ng Beatbox challenge niya. So ayun, sobrang trending ng Beatbox challenge niya. Kaya palaging million yung views. So ito lang maganda sa kanya, guys, pinapagamit niya yung beats niya kahit kanino. So hindi siya nagki-claim. So it's Creative Commons. So that's so that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Once again, this is Pico from Miko Chan channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be notified if I have a new video to upload. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. At peace. Yo.